This is a demo for my Poly drum machine. There is two main sections within the drum machine. In the left side, we have the sound generation section. In the right side, we have the sequencer. Okay, let's start with the sounds. There's 5 different sounds available in the kit, and you can access them by clicking on the different tabs with the name on top of the sound generators section. So we can start with the kick. The kick has a amplitude envelope and an oscillator section. And once you're already on the kick tab, you can just go ahead and use your key number 1 in your keyboard to trigger the sound. Now we can start modifying the way the kick sounds by accessing these different knobs. Let's start by changing the envelope a little bit. Let's give the kick a little bit more decay and sustain. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna change the frequency a little bit for my kick. Okay. Okay, that works. Now let's go to the snare. The snare you can trigger with key number 2 on your keyboard. Let's hear it. It's very simple right now. So I'm gonna change the noise type for pink uh, to give it a more loud sound, and maybe change the decay a little bit. And the sustain just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna move to the tom. You can trigger the tom with key number 3. Needs more attack. It's like a bass right now. Uh, Sustain. Lower frequency. Some release. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the hi-hat. The hi-hat is slightly different. It has a delay line, um, which sounds trippy. I like it. Um, I'm gonna change the decay on my hi-hat. I like that. And now let's go to cymbal. Maybe more attack and some decay and release. Okay, so now we have this kit with 5 different sounds. You can go ahead and save this preset um, for later use. Let's call it video kit and save. Now let's refresh the page to see if it persists on the database. Let's look for video kit and load that preset. Boom, you know that it's loaded when you see the name on top. So now that you load your some presets, you can just create a sequence and the sequencer. I'm gonna do something, groovy, simple, and we can hear how our sounds play together. Maybe my kick needs more body, so I'm gonna change the decay. on the right side, we can see 5 boxes. They're all color coded to represent a sequencer for each of the sounds that we have available on our kit. Um, to start, we can decide which of the 16 steps within this sequence we want to trigger. So to do that, you can just click on the different steps that you want to enable for playback. Now you can just go ahead and start the transport on the top left side. Let's add some claps, some tom or bass, some hi-hats, cymbal. Okay, that's nice and everything, but it's a little bit static and boring. So for that, we have this step knob on the left. With this knob, you can change the amount of steps on each sequencer, so you can create a polyrhythmic or polymetric sequencers on the fly. This way, you can make your beats more interesting. Let's load our presets. First, I'm gonna start with the sounds. You go to this drop down menu and find the name of the kit that we just created, which was Video Kit. Then we can click on the load button and you can see that it's already been loaded. Now we go to this other drop down menu for the sequences and look for the video sequences. The same, we just load the sequences with the load button. You can see that now it's loaded and we can play it back.